Tony Jeffers, Adventures of Meat. Are you there? Jeez. We're looking for the white-black vampire or zombie. The zombie, though, is not great. Doesn't do what I wanted to on that deck. The vampire is really good. Let's open it and see what we get. I can tell you that's not a vampire on the back. It's a human token. Let's see what's in it. Prospector. Okay. Cloud Scope Technician. Zealot. That needs spells cast. Sky Stinger. Nebula Dragon. Unfortunately, I'm not running a dragon deck. Galactic Warfare. Chrome Companion. Okay. Desculpting Blast. It bounces stuff, that's fine. Close Encounter. Doesn't do much. Territorial Brunter? That was his reach. That's the good part about that. Wow. Affinity for Slivers. If you're running a Sliver deck, this card is good. If you're not, it's not that great. Vanishing Light. That's a hollow foil. Planes. And Lander. Human Soldier. It's a weird pack at any rate. Till tomorrow, I'm Tony Jeffries. I'm out. Have a good Sunday, everyone.